Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in. Guys, in big 2026, it's all about getting jobs, and there's nobody out there who's giving you. So today I'll try to teach you how to grab some jobs. I don't know if this is legit. I'm speaking out of my ass. I could be. I don't know shit, bro. I don't know thing. I don't know two things about this. But I just landed a job. Alright.
Rule number one, always be confident. Andrew Tate said it. I'm just a very confident man, but that works, guys. Trust me. The secret is the person who's interviewing you. They don't. They don't know shit. They don't know shit. Alright. So if you act like you know shit.
So rule number two is make them feel important. Validation. That's what every human being requires. They want to be heard. Oh, why I want to be heard? But sometimes just be like, actually, just give me a second. I'm just getting a phone call. Hello, tung 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 sahur. Yeah, you just cut them off. Yeah, you're important, but I have a life. That's way more important than you. Tip number three: try to interrupt them, but be cool. You gotta cool down. You just gotta. So I just wanted to say that I'm sorry. I'm just cutting you off. This is what I think that works. They will listen to you because they don't know shit. You basically never underestimate yourself. You are the king of this world. Oh my god, I'm so cool. That's the that's what you gotta sell. It's all about that. Jordan Belfort, Wolf of Wall Street, he sells. What does he sell? He sells bullshit to bullshitters. In 2026, in this capitalistic world, all you gotta do is sell bullshit to bullshitters. Quarter. You want more tips? There's no more tips. That's it. That's all the tips you can do today. If you're not successful in the next 24 hours, I will find you and I will personally annihilate you, you motherfucker.